I'm here at Venture on Country Club. This is our 120 unit hotel to apartment renovation in Mesa. And there's some great progress to talk about. I'm excited to show you. So one of the things we wanted to do is make this look more like an apartment building and less like a hotel. So we just completed the new wood look on the front of the building and all the exterior paint, which really gives it a nice contrast to the grass and the palm trees. We're also excited we got our new sign up. So this was where the front desk was for the hotel, and we've now taken that bar out and it's turned into our office and clubhouse. And then upstairs we're doing the co-work space, and in the next couple months we're excited to show you how that comes out. This is the gym, and we're really excited how it's come out. We have the paint is in, the flooring's in, and over the next couple weeks we'll fill it up with great exercise equipment for all our residents. So right now we're buying the equipment for the gym. If you have an opinion on what type of equipment you'd think we should put in here, put it in the comments below. Should we have dumbbells? Should we have bike machines? What else is important to have in a gym today? Would love to hear from you. So one of the big things that happened this month is we started having guests stay at the property. And one of the most popular areas has been our common area with the pool and the hot tub. So we have some lounge chairs set up, we have some tables and chairs set up, and this has been a really big hit with our guests. So a few weeks ago we asked you what color of door we should go with. And originally we were looking at this Malibu green color, and thanks to your feedback and comments that we got, we ended up going with this navy blue color, and we're really excited with how it turned out. So we just had a guest check out of this unit, so now we can see what it looks like on the inside. So it has a nice little living room, TV on the wall. People love the fully functional kitchen. It's a small space, but it works really well. Have a nice bar here, and we're getting really good reviews. So the bedrooms are great because it will sleep 4 adults. It's a little bit tight in here, but the way that we've configured it works really well, and we put really plush and comfortable bedding in here, which goes a long way for our guests. If you want to follow along with everything that's happening here each week, follow us on Instagram at Neighborhood Ventures.